Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart English Hub. Hope you all are fine. This video is about 6th class English. Here we can see the contents of the first unit. Reading A, Peace and Harmony. Reading B is a poem, I Want Peace. And extensive reading is Grand Contest in the Forest. Now let's move on to the lesson. Here we can see the title Peace and Harmony. Look at the picture and discuss the questions that follow. Friends, this is the picture. Look at the picture carefully and there are two questions. Now let's move on to the questions. What does this picture tell you about the animals? It tells us that all the animals are discussing about something. Second question is, are they happy or unhappy? How do you know? They are happy. All the animals are happy because they all are united. Here we can see oral discourse. Select any one animal from the above picture and describe it. Friends, here we can see many animals and birds. We have to select any one animal and we have to write about it. For example, if we select elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on earth. They are one of the most unique looking animals. They have a very thick skin. They are mostly grey in color with a long trunk and large floppy ears. And they can communicate through vibrations. Like this we have to write, friends. Okay. Now let's move on to the lesson. Here we can see A, reading. Once upon a time, in a very thick forest, there lived many animals, birds, snakes and insects. They all lived together happily. Here friends, it is a story. Once upon a time, in a forest, all the birds, snakes and insects, everybody lived together happily. They roamed about the jungle and played together in the open fields without any fear. Here, roamed means moving here and there. They roamed in the jungle and played together in the open fields. Here, open field means open areas. All the animals lived happily. They roamed here and there and they also played in open areas without any fear. The peacocks were very proud of their dances but admired the melodious songs of the cuckoos. Here, though the peacocks were very proud of their dances, they admired. Here, admired means they praised the songs of the cuckoos. Melodious songs. Here, melodious means pleasant sounding, pleasant, tuneful songs of cuckoos. The peacocks here praised the songs of the cuckoos. The elephants enjoyed watching the fish swimming in the pool. What did the elephants do? The elephants enjoyed watching the fish swimming in the pool. The pythons, which were blessed with long bodies, spoke well of the fine fur of the flat-footed rabbits. Here, pythons, though the pythons were having long bodies, they used to speak well with the rabbits. The tiny ants, which were always busy, tickled the dark buffaloes. Here, the tiny ants means small ants, which were always busy doing something. They tickled the dark buffaloes here. Tickle means tingling here, touching lightly so that to make laugh. Okay, friends. Now let's move on to the next paragraph. They often held musical evenings in a large open field. Here, all the animals Held means conducted. All the animals conducted musical evenings, means musical programs in the evenings in a large open field. The elephant and the deer danced. Here in this programs, the elephant and the deer used to dance. The mynas and the parrots sang. When the elephant and the deers danced, the mynas and the parrots sang. The tiger and the bear exhibited gymnastics. Here, tiger and the bear exhibited, shown. Gymnastic means exercises, physical exercises. They called the moon and his friends, the stars, to be the guests of honor at their musical evenings. Here, all the animals called the special guest here, chief guest. Who is the chief guest here? Moon and his friends, stars. Moon and stars are the guests of this musical evening conducted by the animals in the forest. Okay friends, are you all understanding? If there are any doubts, please comment. Now let's move on to the next paragraph. One day a jackal entered the forest. He was dirty, dangerous and very cunning too. See here friends, till now everything was going happily, everybody were happy, everybody were moving here and there without any fear. Now one day a jackal entered the forest which was very dirty, dangerous and very cunning too. Here cunning is very clever, very dangerous. Okay friends, now he told the elephants, you are the biggest animal in the forest. Why do you want to play with the squirrels and the rabbits? Here jackal started dividing the animals. Till now all the animals were united. Now the jackal started to divide the animals. First he went to the elephants and he told that, elephants, you are the biggest animals. Why are you playing with the smallest animals, squirrels and the rabbits? He poisoned the minds of the peacocks, saying, you are the loveliest birds in the forest. Why do you want to praise the mynas? After elephants, the jackal again went to the peacocks and started telling that, peacocks, you are the loveliest birds in the forest. Why are you praising the mynas? Here the jackal, after elephant, he came to the peacocks and he started telling that you are the loveliest birds in this jungle. Why are you praising the mynas? The jackal then approached the deer and whispered that the tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them. Here whispered means speaking slowly, to murmur. Okay friends? First he went to the elephants, then he went to the peacocks and at last he came to the deer and started telling that tiger is waiting for a chance to kill. Okay friends? Gradually, all the animals began suspecting one another. See here, gradually means slowly. Slowly what happened here? All the animals began suspecting one another. Suspecting means doubting one another. Earlier, they had lived together, slept together and roamed around the forest together. Isn't it friends? Now, they started to put up boundaries and build fences around their properties. They moved about individually or with their own group. See here friends, what did the jackal do? The jackal divided all the animals. All the happiness has gone now. Slowly, all the animals began doubting on the other animal. Earlier they used to live happily. They used to sleep together. They used to roam here and there. They used to roam in the forest together. But now all the animals started to put up boundaries, put up fences around their properties. Now they started moving individually or with their own group. Now next. Now it was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds. Isn't it friends? Now the animals are not living together. So it is very easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds. And when the smaller ones cried out for help, no one came to help them. See here friends, when the jackal started eating the smaller animals, when the animals shouted for help, no one came to help them. One by one, the little ones disappeared. What happened here? One by one, the jackal started eating all the animals one by one because he divided all the animals. Now there is no unity in the animals. So it is a good chance for the jackal to kill the animals one by one and eat them. The forest slept as the animals were afraid. There were no more musical evenings. The moon was sad. He cried. See here. Now the whole forest was of silent. There were no musical evenings. There were no roaming of the animals together. There was nothing here. And there were no musical evenings. The moon was sad. He cried. Let's move on to the next paragraph now. The moon thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and the birds as a sadhu. So what happened here? The moon was sad. Why the moon was sad? Because there were no musical evenings in the forest. So the moon thought for a while and the moon decided to come down among the animals and the birds in the form of a sadhu. As soon as the sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and the birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. See here. As soon as the sadhu came into the forest, all the animals and the birds came to the sadhu and started narrating their tales of woe. Narrating means telling their tales, means stories, telling their stories of woe. Here woe means sadness. They started telling the stories of their sadness. They cried, sobbed and blamed each other for disturbing the peace in the forest, and the sadhu listened to them. All the animals started crying loudly and they started blaming each other for the disturbance of the peace in the forest, and the sadhu listened to them patiently. Okay friends, now next. Let's move on to the next paragraph now. I hope it's clear. If there are any doubts, please comment. The sadhu brought together the lions and the rabbits for a common meal. Now the sadhu started to bring back the unity among the animals. First thing, he went to the lions and the rabbits, and the sadhu brought both of the animals together for a common meal. He visited the python and the viper and had a long chat with them. After lions and rabbits, he went to the python and the viper for a long chat. Next, he advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks that had lost their mother. Here Sadhu advised the eagle also not to kill the little chicks that had lost their mother. The Sadhu accompanied the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. Here, accompanied means to go with. The sadhu went with the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. He played with the bulbul, the owl and the monkeys. He started playing with the birds and monkeys. Who started playing? Sadhu. Now, here we can see that Sadhu started to unite the animals, to bring back the happiness, to bring back the joy in the forest. Okay friends? But the jackal was very angry with what the sadhu was doing. Obviously now the jackal will be angry, because if all the animals get united once again, it will be very difficult for the jackal to kill the animals. So here the jackal was very angry with what sadhu was doing. What sadhu was doing here? Sadhu was uniting all the animals. So jackal did not like it, sadhu. He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. So here jackal did not like what the sadhu was doing in the forest. So he was waiting for a chance to kill the sadhu. Right? Okay. One day the animals, insects and birds held an emergency meeting, and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. Here what happened? One day all the animals, insects, birds, they held a meeting and they came unitedly. One day what happened here? All the animals, insects and birds held a meeting and they unitedly decided to go to the sadhu and pleaded with him. Pleaded means to request. All the animals, insects went to sadhu and requested him to kill the jackal. The sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal but help you in a different way. So what did the sadhu said? The sadhu said that, okay, I will not kill the jackal but I will help you in a different way. Right? Are you all understanding? Okay. Now let's move on to the next paragraph. When the sun went to sleep, the jackal came to the house of the hens to take a few of them for his supper. So see here, when the sun went to sleep means it's night time now, supper time, dinner time. The jackal came to the house of the hens to take few of the hens for his dinner. The sadhu who had been lodging nearby came out of the house and spoke to the jackal. Here the sadhu, he was beside the hen's house. So he came out. When the jackal came to the hen's house to take few of them for his supper, the sadhu came out of his house and he started talking to the jackal. Take me today for your meal. Sadhu said, take me today for your meal. Okay friends, next. The jackal who had been waiting for this opportunity dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. It was a golden opportunity for the jackal to kill the sadhu. Jackal was waiting since a long time to kill the sadhu. So now he got a chance. He got an opportunity. So as soon as he got the opportunity, he drag means he pulled the sadhu into the jungle. He took the sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces and ate him up. So what happened here? The jackal took the sadhu into the jungle and he took to a lonely place and tore him into pieces and ate him. The animals were very sad, angry and disappointed with what had happened to the sadhu. Here animals were having so much of hope that sadhu will kill the jackal. But what happened here? Jackal only killed the sadhu. Now all the animals are very sad. They were afraid that the hungry jackal would appear again the next day. So what happened here? All the animals were afraid that the jackal already ate the sadhu. Again he will come back tomorrow and he will kill us also. Then they heard a strange noise. All of them ran in that direction. Now what happened? When the jackal ate the sadhu, all the animals heard a strange noise. All of them ran in that direction. What they saw surprised him. All the animals were surprised. They saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. What did the animals saw? The animals saw that the jackal's stomach was growing bigger and bigger. It continued to bloat until it burst. Here, the jackal's stomach started bloating. It started becoming bigger and bigger and bigger until it got burst. Then they heard a soft voice. May my animals, birds and insects live in peace and harmony. May there be no fences around you. May you sing and dance once again. Remember me and be not afraid. So here what happened? The stomach of the jackal got burst and all the animals heard a soft voice. They heard that all the animals, birds and insects live in peace and harmony. Do not build fences around you. May you sing and dance once again. Remember me and be not afraid. Okay friends. Now next paragraph. When they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. So when the animals looked up at the sky, they saw the moon was shining brightly, spreading the brightness all over the earth. The animals once again started to roam, sing, and sleep in peace. They broke down the fences which they had built. They invited the moon and the stars for their cultural evenings. So here what happened? The sadhu killed the jackal in a different way, and all the animals, they removed their fences and they started to roam, sing, sleep, and also to conduct musical evenings. They invited the moon and the stars as a special guest for their cultural evenings. Now everything was happy once again. All the animals lived happily. All the animals, they used to sing happily. They used to sleep together. The peace and harmony was back in the forest. Okay friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Here we can see the glossary. Gymnastics, physical exercises. Property, objects or things owned by somebody. Woe, extreme sadness. Harmony, a state of living together peacefully, unanimously, unitedly. Bloat, become bigger and bigger. Clear friends? Okay. I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel, which is Smart English Hub. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye-bye.